When you install the BeanTrail package, you can click on App Launcher and search for BeanTrail app. When you click on the app, it'll redirect you to the BeanTrail application where you can see the setup field history, view field history, and special action. To track the objects and its fields that you require, click on setup field history. Select the object that you want to track and select the fields that you would like to track the history of. Once the fields are selected, you can click on Save to save this configuration. In order to enable the encryption settings, please click on Configure Encryption, where we have the option to enable and disable. So if the data is not encrypted already, you can click on enable to encrypt the data and disable to when you want to disable the encryption setting. So here I will click on enable encryption. I have submitted the key already. Now your data is encrypted. To view the changes that you have made, once you click on view field history, you can select the object name, the history type that you require if you want to look at the modified field history or the deleted record field history, and accordingly the data shall appear. You can change the viewing of the data according to the date filter. If you want to see the data from the current week, current month, previous month, etc. You can also filter the data with according to record name, according to the field, by whom it was changed, and by its severity. To enable special action, it will only be enabled for the objects that have been set up for tracking in the setup field history. You can click on account, select the field, select the operator which suits your requirement, and enter the value. Once you enter the value, please click on active so that the special action rule will be active for every field on this object. Also, select the user whom you want to be notified about this change. For example, when the annual revenue equals 1000, this particular user will be notified about it. Please click on save to save the special action. If you want to view or edit the special action, click on view special action and you can check the changes over here. You can edit the special action as required and you can delete it as well if it's no longer required.